Capital expenditure with examples. Capital expenditure, an expenditure which results in the acquisition of permanent asset which is intended to be permanently used in the business for the purpose of earning revenue is known as capital expenditure. Moreover, any expenditure which is incurred for the purpose of increasing profit, earning capacity, or reducing cost of production is a capital expenditure. It should be remembered that when an asset is purchased, all amount spent up to the point till the asset is ready for use should be treated as capital expenditure. Examples are: a machinery was purchased for Rs 50,000 from Karachi. We paid carriage Rs 1,000, octroi duty Rs 500 to bring machinery from Karachi to Lahore, destination of business. Then we paid wages Rs 1,000 for its installation in the factory. For all these expenditure, we should debit machinery account instead of debiting carriage, octroi, wages, and all these are capital expenditure. Other examples: purchase of furniture, motor vehicles, electric motors, office equipments, loose tools, and other tangible assets. Cost of acquiring intangible assets like goodwill, patent, copyrights, trademark, patents, and designs. Addition or extensions of assets. Money spent on installation and erection of plant and machinery and other fixed assets are all examples of capital expenditure. Wages spent for the construction of building. Structural improvement or alterations in fixed asset resulting in an increase in their useful life or profit earning capacity. Cost of issue of shares and debentures. Some certain expenditures are incurred by the companies when shares and debentures are issued. Legal expenditures on raising loans for the purchase of fixed assets. Interest on loan and capital during the construction period. Expenditure incurred for the development of mines and plantations. Money spent to bring a second-hand asset into working condition. Cost of replacing factory building from an old place to a new and better site. Premium given for a lease.